All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Pat. Uh, good morning, Barbarian. Omer. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. All right. Let's get this party started. And happy Tuesday. There's a little bit of action yesterday, but not that much, to be honest with you, considering half a day in the bond market. Good morning, Suarez. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. All right. So, crude oil. We're seeing that they put a captain setup switch trade right here, ran it up, and you're getting a sell-off pattern. And a channel on the downside. We're hitting target number one. Target number two is 88.07. Out of that sell pressure that started in around 91.53. So we're expecting a bit of a continuation pattern that can take us down to 86 and a quarter and 88.07 respectively. Russell 2000, we're still within that short channel, and target number two is 1679.8. Target number three is 1667.8. Gold, that's an important formation right here. They just put on a captain setup long right here. So as long as we continue to trade above 1667.3, we should see a reversion to the mean type of trading that will take us to 1690. And then we have to test and retest and see if we have enough strength to get to the 1700. And that's going to be the critical level right now, is to clear that area, get to 1717, which was a huge number for the market for a while, and start moving higher. But ultimately, the overall trend, the short-term trend since the 6th of October is a short, and then you got a captain set up long here. So there is a potential of a fade against that trend back to that 1690. And there we will retest the health of the market. ES hit target number four. This whole sequence of events and selling pressure started with the break of channel number two on October the 6th. The market shifted the cloud, generated a swing trade uh, signal with an inception trade and a switch trade right at this level, which is at 37.64 and a quarter. That was the signal. We hit target number one, two, and three, and into October the 9th continued, and October the the 9th and the 10th, and into today. And you see, every time we come up to the middle of the range, you're getting a bit of a fade in this market. So what is that telling us? That's telling us that the market is still weak. I mean, we're getting a little bit of price stability right here between that 580 to the 600. But we need to clear two things. We need to clear Globex, which is at 36.2475, and we need to clear the top end of the Globex band, which is 36, 37 and a half. Those two areas needs to be cleared. And when the market does that, then you'll get a bit of a bid in this market. Tesla, Netflix, we're just going to have to watch. Okay, so now we're looking at an NQ from a daily perspective, and you can see that channel. So that channel, and we're basically, broke the June 16th level, and we're looking to see how we're pushing into the 596 area. So that is the bottom end of that rotation or that channel that we are in. Is if we get down to the 660 level and test that and see if there's any strength to the market to the upside. That's from a daily perspective. The overall rotation here, just they rally, put a lower high, and they sell off, and they continuously doing this. So we need to be conscious of that on a daily basis. Gold on a daily basis, you keep hitting the top end of the cloud and fading, and it's been consistent since the market really broke this rotation in April. So the minute in April that actually April 25th, that was the key, and we continue to go lower and lower and fading every rally that the market had. ES, same thing. Target number 3, target number 4 in this sequence. I mean, if I'm not even going to mention that number, but here you go. 31.11 and a quarter, then 27.95 and a half. Those are all possibilities as long as the market continue to behave the way it's behaving, which is short the rallies. So from a bigger perspective, that's what we're dealing with. That's NQ, SPY. Okay. So that's an important level here from yesterday. The 360.58. If we continue to trade under that level, that's going to be a sell signal, and we can look at lower targets. We're going to have to see how the market opens up for that first half an hour and go from there. Now, when we're looking at an NQ on the 200 NT Rinko, this is an important area. The market actually put on a captain setup long right here. It hit Globex, and now they're fading it. So as long as we continue to trade above 10,853 and a quarter throughout the day, this will tell me that the market has stabilized and we're ready for counter trends. If we close 912.75, especially at the open, that 200 NT Rinko will be closing lower, and we may get a retest of these levels, and those levels needs to hold. If we close here, then reverse back to that basically 11,000, then that's a captain setup switch trade long, and I would be looking to aggressively go long into a test of 11,069 and potentially back up to 11,170.75. So those are a couple of scenarios that the market can put together right at the open. A retest of that low, I'm going to leave it alone at the open. If we hit this level and reverse, I'll get long. If we end up breaking the 854, I'm going to start looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. Hey Gary, good morning. James Sparks, good morning. Brad, good morning. Yanis, good morning. All right, guys, it's 1 minute to the cash market open. I'm gonna post an order here just to make sure that everything looks good. Let's see here. All right, at 83, it looks good. Canceling the order. All right, let's get this party started and let's get it done. We know what we're looking for here. $9.12. I mean, we're very close to closing this candle right here. Okay, so the market. Wow. Yep. They're selling it. Good morning, Lone. How are you? $37. Let's see how that 37.25 looks like. Yeah, if we get up to that level, yeah, here we go. That's fine. Take a shot at it right here and look for a push into the 20. See how they got to that 37.45 and got faded very quickly. So they're retesting that first initial rotation. That's a strong selling pressure right there that came in. Wow. So the next target is 80 if they flush this price action right here. So That first half an hour of the day, it's going to be me watching and learning price action. The 200 NT wrinkle and the 100 NT wrinkle are in sync right now on the short side. Here you go. We hit that 85 level. The next test is that 60. And that 60 and the 58 is the low that the market has to hold. The longs have to kind of protect that level. At these lows, the market is still weak. That's what you're seeing here. Yeah, I cannot ignore what the market is telling you. All right. So what are we seeing right now here? What we're seeing is that grindy price action lower here, but it's too early. You could see that we hit the bottom end of the range, the bottom end of the Globex range, and the market reacted very well to the selling pressure right there. And target number 2 is hit in this sequence. We retrace back to target number 1. As long as we continue to trade under 916.9, we should be seeing pressure coming through. Good morning, Sheila. ES, when we're looking at ES, we see that the 50 NT Rinko shifted to 3606.5, meaning that the market still in a short wave, and target number 5 is 35.62 and a quarter. Target number 6 is 34.78.5. Captain set up switch trade on that 30 NT Rinko. So I mean, there's more pressure coming here. Man, they're getting to the 60, and that's the retest right here. So if you want to see how they handle this level and how if they reverse it or not. So right now the market is in sync on the short side. We're looking for short signals on rallies. That applies to NQ, and that applies to ES, and that applies to Russell 2000 and YM. Where would that shift? That idea would shift if we break 936 on NQ. If the market shifts to 3612 on ES. Yeah, they're trying to hold it here. Yeah, we should. That 900 is going to be a critical level. You could tell there's a little bit of buying interest coming in. If they break the 900, then things will start stabilizing a little bit on the long side. Yeah, you see that? Okay, so that's telling me that the market is they're trying to put the brakes on. They are trying to put the brakes on. But the market is still in sync on the short side. We saw this kind of consolidation type of behavior. We retested the swing trade level of 886. And let's see if how they handled 9/11 if they get up there. Ultimately, this is a short market, and we're coming to the low, and they're trying to fade that low. As long as the 200 NT Rinko and the 100 NT Rinko is holding up, then we should break that low of 53. Yeah, I'm going to be more of a observer of this market till I see the 9 o'clock top of the hour. If we break above 900, then the market is going to be out of sync between the 200 and the 100, and that would give the market a little bit of consolidation phase. So we'll start chewing through and rotating. So no trades for me so far. Here it comes. Boom. So all the behavior that we're seeing, all what we're seeing is just short behaviors. That's all we're seeing right now. NASDAQ is down 143 points, about a 1.3%. ES down about a percent, 34 points. Gold up 3 points, a fraction of a percent. Crude oil is down 1.2%, negative $1.13. Russell down 1%, 18 points. YM down 99 points, negative 34%. So across the board, we're just anemic except for gold. That's the only one that's showing any signs. Good morning, Frida. How are you? Yeah, it was a nice retest of that 885, and came and retested it one more time, and boom, nice flush. The market will be out of sync if we hit 86 again. Yeah, good morning, Jose. And they're putting another captain set up short right here. Interesting market. Shorts are in control. You could tell there is they're trying, like, the longs are really trying, but how the price within the candle just flutters and flutters and flutters. Yeah, good morning, Jose. How are you? Yeah, we're starting the day and we're watching the price action. I'm waiting till 9 o'clock before I put on any trades, and also I'm flat for the day, so have not put any trades in so far. Come on, babe. All right, and that's where we're at for the day. No trades. 62. Yeah, we should push lower here. They keep coming up to that 85, and okay, so the 85.95 was a resistance, and now they came in and put the captain set up short, tested a couple of times, and then boom, you're getting a continuation. Same thing going on with ES. They put a captain set up long here, ran it up, and faded against that level. The 50 and the 6 NT Rinko both are in sync on the short side, and we're looking for signals on the short side across the board. A lot of traders are going to be looking to fade this area because you're just breaking into the low of that captain setup. So I need to be conscious of who will be trapped exactly where we're at right now. Because if this market reverses to 937, then basically you trap the shorts with this flush. Yeah, good morning, Gary. Okay. So they're grinding and going lower. That's what you're getting. Target number 4 on 200 NT Rinko is 10,760 and a half. Man, look at that 800. I mean, you would think that you'll get a bit of a fade against that. So ES is stronger than NQ, and the fact that we just breaking that low around that 35.8375. Yeah, they're bleeding this market. They're bleeding this market, that's for sure. Okay, so they're playing around that whole number right now. Yeah. We should be seeing a little bit of a move upward, a little bit of retesting of 820 to 830. So the overall structure of this market is still short, and we have to be looking for these rallies as still a shorting opportunity. Hmm. Yeah, they're trying to make higher lows here in these rotations. So it kind of tells me that the market is trying to stabilize, but we'll see. The only signals generated right now are shorts. So, I can't put myself in a position to try to fade this market when I don't even have the 100 NT wrinkle in my favor. So like 837, that would be the disconnect between the 200 and the 100. So rallies are shortable till that happens. If you break 837, then that at least puts us in a holding pattern. Looking at ES, you're getting tightening of the ranges right here, and that tells me that the market is trying to stabilize as well. Ultimately, again, you start breaking anything above 35.93 in ES, then that would kind of stabilize the price to action. But right now, any rally that we see, we need to be more concerned or kind of looking for a good short signal than a long signal. 37, if the 37 shows up, then that changes the equation here. Now you could tell that they're trying to stabilize this market. Like they're constantly they made that low here at 90, a higher low, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 higher lows. So that on the face of it tells me just if you were short, that you need to take your profits. Or take the majority of your profits. Here comes that 37. All right. A second retest is 862. So if we get to 862, that in a way is a big line of defense for the shorts that they need to protect. Hmm. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, they're trying to stabilize it. I get it. I get it. They're trying to stabilize price. So that the minute that we broke that 37, kind of set the stage up for a little bit of a counter trend. We want to see how 61, 62 holds. And then if that doesn't hold very well, then you're going to most likely get a complete reversal. When I say complete reversal, I'm saying the 200 NT Rinko is shifting back to 887. And then pullbacks will be buyable uh, on a scalping basis. And you're looking for a retest of 935. I mean, we cannot ignore the channel that we are in. And that channel is a downward channel, even though that you're going to get a decent retracement within it, but the overall structure is short. Like, see the difference between this price action and this price action, how these pullbacks are significant. I mean, look at them from 629 to 369. I mean, that's 300 points. But that whole structure is still long. The market is still long here. And those were, bought and sold up here for a decent amount. So really, for us to be very, very aggressive on the long side, we need to see a minimum of the cloud shifting on the 200 NT Rinko, which means that we have to have this reversal at 889. We have to break above 11,100 basically and come to retrace and retest. So if this ends up being the bottom of the market, then the market has a lot of work to do to really shift the narrative. And we're not there yet. The market has not demonstrated the capacity to do this yet. It's trying to hold. So when we're looking at ES here, we're seeing the market is back into the middle of the range after making a run to target number 3 within the sequence. When we look at ES on the bigger picture, you broke the low and the market is trying to fade the breakout. It's not a breakout, breakdown. The market's trying to fade it. So if they break 3,600, that's going to be a big deal for the market. And it put a little bit of stability to the longs. But the fact that we got that close, 35.97, and just kind of faded that tells you they may have more selling to do here. No trades from me so far. It's important for me to just read the market. I need to figure out who's winning here, and obviously the shorts are, but now it's a function of trying to find the trade. Like right here, I mean, I could take if the market closes at 22, I can take a short and look for a break into the 10 again. If that happens, we'll see. Here we go. Don't like it. All right. Let's take a stop, move on. I'll try one more time here if we close this candle. Here we go. Really? I gotta protect myself here, so I'm gonna go. Okay. This is just a lot of noise going on here. I'm gonna leave this area alone and let the market. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, maybe we're a little bit too tight in this area. So let's just watch it. You need 812. Good morning. Good morning, GM. Uh, Rally market, Christmas rally. Yeah, let's get some Christmas money. Yeah, so that selling pressure came in. So we got short here, covered, short, covered. I think I was a little bit too tight in that rotation. So let's here we go. Yeah. Well, I mean, I get in and I'll add to it if we run up. All right, let's see if I can get a higher price here in the retest. It's pausing. So they have a captain set up short on the 70 NT Rinko. Let's see how they will handle. Okay, let's see here, and let's see if we can get up to the 30. Then the 38. And our stop. Jesus Christ. Here we go. Well, the stop needs to be here. Wow. Okay. Yeah, we're getting chopped up in this rotation here. Yeah, let's take a step back and watch what they want to do. Obviously, there's a little bit of a bid going on. Let's see what kind of damage we did here. Okay, that's not too bad. All right. That's not too bad. All right, let's see what they're doing here. So the 200 and the 100 out of sync. They put that captain setup on the 70 and yeah, moved it one candle and reversed. That was not pretty. Let's just keep working. Ultimately, if the market goes to 886, the 200 and the 100 will be in sync on the upside. That's going to be an important level. The fact that they came into 862, yeah, they're giving us another opportunity to go short. We need another rally back up, though. Let's see, 43 can show up. I gotta keep it tight. Yeah, I keep getting chopped up in this market. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna let this market settle down here. Let's see. We're looking at 886 as a target. I'll try that long. And we'll go to 885. I'm going to start small and just going to keep, because that seems like the market is just, they put a captain setup switch trade right here, long. So eventually, here we go. Boom. All right. We got one. One contract is one contract, still a winner. See if we can get to the 900. $900. Don't get greedy though. Don't get greedy. I'll take that one. Finally, we get a winner. We paid a little bit of money to understand this market today. All right, so now we're going to start looking for a bit more aggression on the long side. And I'm going to try to get multiple contracts on this thing. 62, okay, 62. Let's see here. So basically we faded the whole number. I mean, that's why I got out. That's exactly what I'm doing, Sheila. I'm looking for pullbacks to buy. I have to. Can't be buying up here. In ES, two levels to look into: 3600 and 3593. That's one here, and I'll add to it down at 61. I mean, the goal is to see the 11 to 25 area. I'm going to be kind of adding in a range here and taking a bigger risk, but we'll see. I mean, if we can get to ES to go all the way to up to 26, that would be huge. All right, let's see if I can get up to that 78. Gonna go break even right here and just wait and see if we pull back more significantly. And if that happens, I'll take a second look at it. It's not bouncing in a meaningful way. Plus, they're putting a captain setup short right here, and the 200 and the 100 are out of sync. So I need to kind of pause and and see if we can get better prices. Yeah, there's a little bit of pressure going on here. The next area I want to test is that 37 area, or the market, the cloud on the 20 and T shifts to positive, then I'll start looking for signals to come in, and most likely between the 80 to the 90. So two things got to happen: either they come to the 37 and I'll retest that level, or they go between 80 and 90 and generate a signal. Anything in between, I'm just going to be watching. $86, okay. Dow Jones is green alone. Yep, it's up 45 points, fraction of a percent. I mean, like I said, I mean, the market is just seems like it's just trying. It's trying here. Ooh, hold on. I'll get in. Okay, I'll take that, and I'll take the 37 if it shows up, and I'm just gonna be in a trading in a range here. That's messy. That's messy. What is this? 10. That's a lot of risk, but I'll take it. That's a lot of risk, but we'll take it. Just keep it small. Keep it small. 20. 37. All right, let's see if we can get there. 85. Yeah, the 10, 12. What the hell are they doing here? Here they come. Let's see if we can get up there. This one is gonna, yeah, it's gonna hurt. Here we go, baby. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. That one stressed me out. All right, I got two. I'm going to cancel that order here. And then we're going to start cruising. We're going to start cruising for higher prices. I'm going to go and target Globex. It's a tricky U-turn, but you could see it. You could see it at these levels and the way the market retraced. I gotta take one more. I gotta take one more out. I gotta be positive for the day. And now it's just a function of how big of a run I need to see. So, do I want to go break even? Let's take a look. Where we at 52. 52 is good for a break even. Yep. And we'll just keep it right here and give him enough room for the big run. And if they come all the way back down, break the cloud, break the entry point, and get me at 55, then all I gotta say is congratulations, you made some money. Right now, the target is Globex, and it's gonna take some work, but we'll see. I can't say it was easy because it was a bit of a rough one, but I knew my ranges here for a swing trade, and for a swing trade, you're looking at that 60 and the 37. And what I did is I got a little bit higher, and I was looking for that break, and it gave me about 15 points or so that I could have made some money off of. But I kind of made the choice to take on. Look at these bastards. Oof. Take on the 34 as well. So that those are the two levels in which you test uh, a swing trade. Look at these guys. Wow. Well, and aren't we glad that we sold along the way, right? So here we go, Omer. We're already at the bottom of the cloud. That's the only way you could sit through a swing trade. Like right here, I need to be adding. So I gotta add here. I gotta add here, and I gotta add at 860. Man, I mean, I'll sell at 90s this one just to pocket some profit. See, the thing with it, I can't go and take a negative trade right now. So I'm gonna go 70, and it is what it is. If they come back and hit me there, then whatever. I just cannot take a negative trade. Just amazing. Look at the selling pressure. Wow. I took some more. and I'm going to go break even again. And it is what it is. I got to sell some of it along the way just to kind of help me out with this trade here. I mean, 92 is a good spot. Yeah, no. I took one out. My cost basis is still that break even. And anything 94, I'm taking one more and leaving. I'm fading the half back, which is 95. Here it comes. Come on, baby, don't do this. Nope, nope, nope. Don't fizzle out. Don't fizzle out. Yep, fizzled out. 73 is still my cost basis. I mean, 73. Was it 73 or 75? Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So where all this that was one heck of a trade, man. One hell of a trade. So where did that leave us for the day? And it wasn't pretty, tell you that much. We took early on getting short. We took some heat on on some noise. The market kind of kept rotating back and forth, and I took small stops, but they add up. And this one trade that I just took right here, so kind of shifted the whole day into plus 1845. Captain on the 50. Yeah, okay, let's get back to work here. Let's get back to work. All right, if we can get up to 92, I may look into an entry point. 92. 92 half, I'll get in. Okay, nope, it's not there yet. Let's see if they put on one more candle to the upside and I'll get in. So if they close at 87, all right, I'd see it. So we should see a break above 900 here, or that's the goal at least. I'm going to keep it small here. Yeah, we need to break 900. Sam, we're making a little bit of money here today. It was tough early on, but we managed. Some days are harder than others, but as long as you kind of continue to trade process and understand what we're doing. So that 900 got a break. Once we break it, then we'll start chewing through the tens, and we'll see what happened there. We need to see the cloud shift as well. Here it comes. Here it comes. Thank you. Come to Papa, baby. Come to Papa. Here we go. Boom. I'll take that one out, and I'll look for a retest. That was a good one. You want to pay me? I'll take it. So that trade we just took made us 420. So we're up 22.66. And let's just keep playing the game. No, it's we're trading wrinkle bars. No time. That's just wrinkle bars right there. Well, check out the YouTube channel. You'll see how we flow on a daily basis. You have about 93 or 94, 95 live stream sessions that you could take a look at. It's a much better way to trade futures market. You trade the wrinkle bars, not a time chart. Time chart does not have all the information a wrinkle bar has. So we had what got us involved in that trade is that captain set up long on the 50 NT wrinkle right here. They came and retested it, which actually was an adding opportunity at 80. So now that next step is for the market to go to 929, then start going back up to chew through this area back to blowbacks. Do you trade Ninja Trader? I mean, do you have Ninja Trader, Sam? Because if you do, I can send you that file so you could have these exact candles on your computer. Well, just let me just send you this, and you could go in there. And we could give you also a free trial of the system. It doesn't matter what you're using. I mean, as long as you have Ninja Trader, you could just put the charts and look at them and execute on your TD. The margin requirement for TD is like 25 grand for the futures market, right, per contract. So here you go. Just sign up right there, and we'll go from there. Only for stocks. What's the margins for futures? All right, so the second leg looks like we're about to keep going higher here. As long as that captain setup holds. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, I gotta get involved here. Let me see. Captain setup switch trade on the 50 NT Rinko. You guys pay attention to this. Wow. Really? Where we at right now is going to be a critical deal. If we can get one candle reversal, I'll jump in. No? Okay. You see that, Omer? Captain setup, captain setup. They're contradicting themselves here. I'm gonna take a risk here if this candle closes up on the 20 NT Rinko and go long. Come on. All right. So we took one off and I'm going break even very quickly. It's either going to happen here or it's not. I'm okay with it either way. That's fine. Gary, you said something. I sent you a text. Explain to me why. That's some like really kind of nasty consolidation that's going on. ES, let's take a look at ES. We're thinking in terms of longs. These all trades that we've done in the past, almost an hour, was long and long and long. So that's reflective of also what we think about ES. It going up to 26 is the actual target, which is Globex. This candle closes, I'm gonna get in and look for a run up, and I'm gonna also look for Okay, I flatted one. Let's see if we can get. We need to get to 12. If we get to 12, we'll be in good shape. And if we break anything under 92, I'll take that stop and move on. Market needs to behave, and it's not. I'm going to get out of it, take a small stop, and just leave this section alone. Two things got to happen. Either we break the 12, and I will jump back in on the long side, or we'll watch and see if we can get down to 860 and retest the health of that move. Yeah, it's not doing what it's supposed to do here. So now we know our levels. James, I'm a vendor on NinjaTrader with NinjaTrader, and the software, the Harmony trading system, is programmed on Sierra chart. I mean, it's on NinjaTrader. It's to get the. You can get NinjaTrader for free, by the way, and I can give you the software for a trial, and you could see how it works, and you could literally see the signals on Ninja and execute on Sierra. So that's an option for people who don't want to shift or change their platform. But you'll find NinjaTrader to be extremely good for futures trading. I have Sierra charts too, by the way. I have Sierra charts and I have NinjaTrader, and my account is enabled on both. But I just, I use Sierra charts for different things. I look at signals there that I have nothing to do with the Harmony trading system. Yeah, for example, yeah, we have a lot of traders that look at the Harmony trading system and execute in TOS, TD, Sierra. I mean, obviously TD, and Sierra charts. Here we go. So look at that. Boom. Okay, so that's the 12. The 12 is happening. Yeah. Here comes that 12. 12, 12. Let's see what we're doing here for the day. All right, let's keep reading the market. We're starting to connect with how the price is behaving. Early on, we kind of, went through a bit of a drawdown until we figured it out. All right, let's see what you guys are doing. It's very choppy area here, like really choppy. Here we go. See, here comes Sheila. You see the 20, the 26, 24, 26 on ES. We've been talking about that for quite some time. That's the target for ES. So they keep playing around with that 12. They put a captain setup short on the 20 NT wrinkle up here. So you're getting okay. So from a swing trade basis, what are we seeing? Because ultimately we have to get the swing trade right in order for us to be able to swing trade and or scalp correctly in this market. So we had that one candle reversal. We have the first test. We came very close to the second test of that swing trade, and then the market closed at 12, and that was the big number for us then. Market pulled back at the 85, and it's firming up to the upside again. So we're in the middle of the harmony wave right here, short. Okay, so the market has to clear it, test the 68, clear glowbacks, and then blow that whole area up all the way to 11,066 and a half. At that point, retracements become aggressively buys. And I mean, then you're looking at a pullback, then a one candle reversal, and you're looking for a behavior that is very long at that time. Right here, we're in the middle of resistance. So that you see the market pause and pull back, pause and pull back. They're trying to chew through a lot of resistance right here. But it's looking better and better for the longs. Now, if the 200 NT wrinkle and the 100 NT wrinkle are in sync on the long side, then we're looking for a behavior to go long. Then we're looking for a signal to go long. There you go. Coming along. Let's take a look at the rest of the instruments here while this market running up. Crude oil, what is that? Crude oil. Quick one. Crude oil still struggling here. Hitting target number 1. Target number 2 is 88.07. Russell 2000 is recovering nicely. It's actually recovering better than what we've seen in ES and NQ. So if you want to categorize them, who's bigger? Russell, I think YM Dow Jones is doing the best, then Russell, then ES, then NQ. Gold, captain set up switch trade on gold. That's a big signal to the long side, and it happened right at 78 and 78.4. That's a big buy signal. We got ourselves ES. It's going to that 26. Tesla, a buy signal on Tesla, inception trade at 223.19. Netflix, they are breaking this structure, going higher. NQ, we flushed and we're recovering 993. That's going to be the number. Here we go. Gold. We may get a reversal day, guys. We may be getting a reversal. So when we look at SPY, for the people who trade SPY, the market shifted and gave us a captain setup long, switch trade right here, came and retested it once, tested it twice, held on to that captain setup, give us a swing trade structure that got us to target 1, 2, and 3. And now target number 4 in SPY is 361, 39. And then you're looking at target number 5 at 62, 63, then target number 6 is 65. We got the spammer. We got the spammer back. Come on, brother. Why are you doing that here? Can we talk about this? It's not healthy for you. Really, it's not. Well, it's not moving as much as the the overall market. So that's the SPY. That's SPY. Gary, I sent you a message. Can you take a quick look at it, please? Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Hopefully, this stream is helping you in some way, and you can take advantage of our 5-day free trial by clicking on the link below, and you'll get the Harmony Trading System and also a lot of the setups that we use, like the captain setup, the switch trade, the Harmony wave. You're going to get a lot of that stuff to read over and study. And if you're part of the Apex, also we got a code for you as well. All right, so we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. And we hit that 65 that we talked about. And the 65 is this railroad line where the market is pausing and pulling back and retracing. So this is going to be a resistance area, and it's going to take a minute for us to get over it. So I wouldn't be too excited about getting long. I mean, there's one test here at 36. I'm not going to even play around with that. If the market comes back to the 912, I'll take a look at the market and see if the longs are still holding. That's the first idea. The second idea is for us to run back up to that 50 and generate another harmony wave. If the market does that, then I'll take a scalping opportunity long, but it's going to be a tight scalp, 5-10 points, and just kind of look for a rally in that direction. So either the 12 or a harmony wave, one of those two things, if they happen, that will trigger me to act. Not on the 20. No. So the captain setup is this formation. It's a minimum of 4 candles that on the 30 and T wrinkle. Yeah, here we go. So you're getting a minimum of 4 candles on this one give you a little bit more, but that's how a captain setup would look like. Another captain setup would be this one right here. So a minimum of 2 candle drop, then a closed up candle, a closed down candle, a closed up candle. So that formation is called the captain setup with an entry of 70, 75 and targets. Let's see if I can find you some more. Here you go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 5 and a 6. See, that's a 4 candle formation. That's a captain setup long. Captain setup long. Yeah, the 30 and T wrinkle on that one. Did I send you the class for that signal? Okay, gotcha. So you received it. Yeah, ask as many questions. So how's everybody doing? Brad, how are we doing? Gary, Sheila, Yanis, George, Jose, Ken, Lon, Pat, Safe. How are we doing? Look at that. Yeah, so they're testing well. They're testing that area well. We may be getting our reversal day, guys. We may be, ladies and gentlemen, I guess. And anything above that 990 and it holds, then we got bigger targets from there. Yep. Yeah, it was a good one, GM. That was a good one. Yeah, I've been getting long and long and long through the whole structure here. So they're retesting Globex. They're testing Globex. So we're going to look for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. All right, guys, so let's see here. We hit Globex, and that's an area where you're going to see some consolidation and back and forth behavior. We got ourselves a captain set up short up at that 987, and that market is pulling back. It's the same captain set up short on the 30 NT wrinkle right here, and they're pulling it back. So they took one captain set up long at 42 to this level, and they're taking one captain set up short down here. So you're getting two-sided market with the longs and shorts working out here. As long as you at the end of the day are winning, that's what matters, right? So what do we expect here? I mean, the first test of this is going to be 63, so we're coming up on that. Then you got a 937 as a second retest of the swing trade. Now, as long as the 200 and the 100 are in sync, we can take harmony waves to the upside. And right now, the harmony wave is disconnected, and it will probably connect back up if we break back up to 85 and 97. So basically, this structure that we are in here is going to put us in a holding pattern. And the first test of it is 937 or 990. One of those two things need to happen in order for me to re-engage in this market. It's 10:55, and we took a bit of heat early on, but we came back nice. And we're going to end the day, or this morning at least, around 22:45. Up for the day. 22:45. How we doing, Ken? I haven't heard from you today. Well, what did you learn there? Because I'm interested in seeing what the perception is. All right, guys, that's 11 o'clock right now. That's top of the hour. And that kind of concludes our morning session. Up nicely for the day. It didn't come easy. We struggled a little bit early on with a couple of stops, but the key was to just keep your head focused. It's just a function of focus. My focus is the next signal and looking for quality entry and just following the process, and ended up turning the day to a nice positive of 2240 to $2,240 and 45. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so not every day is going to be easy, and some days are easier than others, but the key is to continue to put on quality decisions. That's it for me. And if I end up trading anymore, we'll show it to you in the morning. And just remember, precision is a decision, and always trade in harmony, right? And we will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, and we will do this again. You guys have a blessed one. Take care, James. Take care, Gary. How did we do over there? You guys do good? Suarez, how we doing? All right, guys. See you next one.